Negativity. What is it? First, you remember the definition of electronegativity. Electronegativity is the power of an atom to attract the electron density in a covalent bond. Covalent bond is the bond which is formed between the two atoms due to the mutual sharing of electrons. The mutual share electrons is attracted toward the more electronegative elements. That's why more electronegativity is the attraction toward the shared pair of electron to itself. The maximum the attraction, the maximum the electronegativity, and the electronegativity is the only responsible for the polarity of the covalent compounds. So if you compare the polarity between the two compounds, you may check the electronegativity difference. Maximum the electronegativity difference, maximum will be the polarity in the covalent bonds. ये तव्हांखे शयूं यादि रखणियूं आहिनि इंशाल्लाह जेकी तव्हां डेफिनेशन यादि कई त ज़हन में रखे छॾो. The concept of the electronegativity is given by the Pauli. Pauli is the name of scientist, Paulings. He says that higher the value, more electronegative element. Fluorine is the most electronegative elements of the periodic table. It has an electronegativity value of 4.0. So I take the very simple example for the Pauling electronegativity scale. Chlorine has the high electronegativity. That's why it attracts the shared pair of electron to itself from the carbon. And this is the scale, and starting you must remember this scale. The maximum electronegativity is concerned with the fluorine, and that's why we see whole periodic table. I take only the 3 periods for you. In 3 periods, you may see that from left to right in the row, in a period, from lithium to fluorine, electronegativity increases. Why it increases in the period? Because electronegativity increases in the period due to the increase of the inner core positive charge into the nucleus. In the period, proton increases. In the group, shell increases. So from in the group from top to bottom, you may see that hydrogen has the 2.1 electronegativity, lithium has 1.0, sodium has 0.9. It means in the group from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. In the period, electronegativity increases. The reason for the decrease in the electronegativity in the group is the shell. In hydrogen it contains 1 shell, lithium contains 2 shell, and sodium contains the 3 shell. And the shell increases, the distance from the nucleus to outermost shell also increases, and the attraction decreases. जेतिरो इलेक्ट्रॉन परे थींदो वेंदो अट्रैक्शन घटि बि वेंदी, ऐं अट्रैक्शन घटि बि त छा थींदो, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी बि घटि बि. जीअं इलेक्ट्रॉन क़रीब ईंदो एतिरी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इंक्रीज़ थींदी. इलेक्ट्रॉन क़रीब छो थो अचे? शैल में इलेक्ट्रॉन मौजूदु आहे, पर इनर कोर चार्ज इंक्रीज़ थी रही आहे, तंहिंजे करे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्लाइटली टुवर्ड्स द न्यूक्लियस डिस्टेंस डिक्रीज़ थी रहियो आहे. इन ई सबब जे करे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी जेको आहे उहा पीरियड में इंक्रीज़ थींदी आहे ऐं ग्रुप में डिक्रीज़ थींदी आहे. ग्रुप में डिक्रीज़ थींदी आहे शेल जे इंक्रीज़ थियण जे करे, ऐं पीरियड में इंक्रीज़ थींदी आहे ड्यू टू द इंक्रीज़ ऑफ द प्रोटॉन इन टू द न्यूक्लियस. पंहिंजे दुआउनि में यादि रखिजो. इल्तमास दुआ. अल्लाह.